Hi students, welcome back. So we were studying about the sentence patterns, right? We have studied subject and verb, that is SV pattern. Then next we have studied subject verb object, SVO pattern. Next we are going to study SVC pattern. What is SVC pattern? Subject plus verb plus complement. Only these three things will be there in a sentence which belongs to SVC pattern, subject, verb and complement. So what is complement? Complement is never an object. It sometimes shows a position. Sometimes it will tell about the person's qualities. It will be an adjective, it will be a noun, but if it is a noun, it will show only a position. It will never be an object. It will never be a thing or a person or an animal. It can only be adjectives and shows, sometimes it may show position. Let us see examples of SVC pattern. Look at these examples. They all belong to the SVC pattern, subject, verb and complement. Such a sentence can never be changed into a passive voice because it doesn't have an object. It only has a complement. We can never change such sentences in the passive form. First example, they are players. Here players only refers to some position. That means they are players. He is wise. Wise is an adjective. We can never change such a sentence into passive voice because it is not, wise is not an object. It is only a complement. I am an Indian. An Indian, it shows the nationality, right? So it is not an object. So it is only a complement. It tells us more about the subject, about I am an Indian. It grew dark. So dark is also an adjective. The class became noisy. Noisy is an, what kind of parts of speech? It is also an adjective. It seems absurd. Absurd means foolish, an adjective. She was angry, again an adjective. The book is interesting. Interesting is an adjective. So whenever the last word denotes or says something about the subject, then it is always a complement. He is the captain. Captain is a complement. That means it shows the position, right? It is not an object. It is a complement. That's what we have to keep in mind. The pattern SVC can never be changed into passive form. Next, we are going to study the SVOC pattern. What is SVOC pattern? Subject plus verb plus object plus complement. That means first subject will come, next is verb, then next object, then last only complement will come. Now let's go to certain examples by which you will be able to understand this pattern. The first one on the upper part, they belong to SVOC pattern. That means subject, verb, object and complement. They called Einstein a genius. So, they called Einstein a genius. Such a kind of sentence can be converted into passive form because object is there. Whichever sentence has object, then it will be converted. It can be converted into the passive form. So here they call Einstein a genius. Here Einstein is the object. They call whom? Einstein. And what did they call him? A genius. So here the complement is given to Einstein, the object. Mother keeps her kitchen clean. The complement is given to the object, the kitchen, right? Clean is an adjective. We named the puppy Rasi. So the name of the puppy is Rasi. So the complement is given to the object, the puppy. I found him crying. So he was crying, right? And I was not crying. Instead, the object was crying. They elected Rahim leader. Rahim is the object and he was selected as the leader. So the complement is given to the object. Just before complement, object is coming. So these are the things related to SVOC. That means subject, verb, object and complement pattern. Hope you have understood these two patterns. Now let us do certain exercises by which we will be able to understand it even more better.